Good morning students. Today we start the examples on basic proportionality theorem. First upon, what is basic proportionality theorem? If a line parallel to a side of a triangle intersects the remaining sides in two distinct points, then the line divides the side in the same proportion. Now example number first. In a triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC if DB is equal to 5.4 centimeter, AD is equal to 1.8 centimeter, EC is equal to 7.2 centimeter, then find AE. To solve this example by using basic proportionality theorem. This is the figure, triangle ABC. Okay, first of all, segment DE is parallel to BC. DE is parallel to BC. Then apply basic proportionality theorem. AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. Okay. In triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC. AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. Basic proportionality theorem. Means, suppose one line is parallel to one side of a triangle, then the line intersect the remaining sides of a triangle, and the line divides the side in the same proportion. Substituting the value, what is the value of AD? 1.8. What is the value of DB? 5.4. And to find the AE, therefore write AE as it is, and value of EC is equal to 7.2. Cross multiplication, and a 1.8 into 7.2 upon 5.4 AE as it is. Shifting decimal point, 18 upon 54 into 7.2. 18 1 is 18, 18 3 is 54. Remaining 7.2 upon 3. Divide 3 से divide किया तो क्या? AE is equal to 2.4 centimeter. This is the example on basic proportionality theorem. Now to see converse of basic proportionality theorem. What is the statement? Theorem is, if a line divides any two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then the line is parallel to third side. In your textbook, only statement are given and proof is not given. But what is the proof? To prove the basic converse of basic proportionality theorem by using contradiction method. Contradiction method means assume wrong assumption. आपको assume क्या करना है? Wrong assumption. In this proof, assumption किया है L1 is parallel to BC, but see the figure, L1 line L1 is not parallel to BC, but a contradiction method use करनी है, इसलिए क्या है? Assumption किया है. Therefore, given triangle ABC, line L intersect AB at point P. Line L intersect AB at point P and BC at point Q. Repeat again. Triangle ABC, line L intersect AB. Line L intersect AB at point P. Which point? P point. And line AC intersect at point Q. Okay. Therefore, AP upon PB is equal to AP upon PB is equal to AQ upon QC. Basic proportionality theorem. And to prove here, line L is parallel to side BC. Line L is parallel to side BC. Therefore, by using contradiction method proof, let us suppose line L1 is parallel to side BC. Assume किया है line L1 is parallel to side BC. Actually, line L1 is not parallel to BC. Suppose to increase this line and this line then intersect. These two lines are not parallel. But by using contradiction method, line L1 is parallel to BC. Therefore, apply basic proportionality theorem. Suppose L1 and BC are parallel, then the basic proportionality theorem AP upon PB is equal to AR upon RC. Equation number first. And but from given things क्या है? AP upon PB is equal to AQ upon QC. AP upon PB is equal to AQ upon QC. Second, write the value of AP upon PB की वैल्यू क्या है? AR upon RC. From 1 and 2, AR upon RC is equal to AQ upon QC. Next, AR upon RC is equal to AQ upon QC. Adding 1 on both side. Adding 1 on both side. And take LCM. Take LCM means cross multiplication लिया. AR plus RC upon RC is equal to AQ plus QC upon QC. AR plus RC की वैल्यू क्या है AC और AQ plus QC की वैल्यू भी क्या है AC. Therefore लिखा है AC upon RC is equal to AC upon QC. AC gets cancelled. The remaining terms are QC is equal to RC. Therefore QC is equal to RC. See here QC is equal to RC. But see the figure. QC and RC का distance same है क्या? QC और RC की वैल्यू same नहीं है. Therefore Q and R are the same point. Q and R are the same point or coincide point. Q and R is the same point means point R and point Q are not a different. Point R and Q are same means if two points only one line is passes. Therefore L1 and L is a same line and therefore line L is parallel to BC. This is the proof of converse of basic proportionality theorem, and this theorem is very useful to solve the example, and also basic proportionality theorem is also very useful to example solving. Now next, property of an angle bisector of a triangle. What is the theorem on that property? The first theorem is the bisector of an angle of a triangle divide the side opposite to the angle in the same ratio of the remaining sides. The bisector, see the figure. So only see this figure. This is the construction. Therefore only see triangle ABC. See angle C is the bisector, and therefore in triangle ABC, bisector of angle C intersect segment AB in the point E. Therefore angle ACE is equal to angle ECB. And to prove that, here to prove AE upon EB is equal to CA upon CB. Construction. Draw a line parallel to ray CE. Draw a line parallel to ray CE. Where ray CE? Here ray CE. And to draw the line parallel to ray CE and give the name passing through the point B. Extend AC and the intersection point denote point D. Proof. Ray CE is parallel to ray BD. And AD is a transversal. Therefore angle AC, ray CE and ray BD and AD is the transversal. Therefore angle ACE, which angle ACE and angle CDB are the corresponding angle and denote a first. Next, now taking BC is the transversal. Only transversal क्या है change किया है. BC is the transversal. Then angle ECB is equal to angle CBD. Alternate angle and second. And from given angle C is the bisector, therefore angle ACE is equal to angle ECB from given, and this is the denote third. Therefore angle CBD is congruent to angle CDB by using first, second and third. In triangle CBD, side CB is congruent to side CD. In triangle CBD, this triangle CBD, what is given? CB is congruent to CD. Actually, angle CBD and angle CDB means angle B and angle D क्या है? Congruent. Therefore, these two angles are congruent. Therefore, their opposite sides are congruent. What is the opposite side of angle B? CD. And what is the opposite side of angle D? CB. Therefore, CD is congruent to CB. Side CB is congruent to side CD. And what is the reason? Side opposite to congruent angle. Therefore, CB is equal to CD. And give the fourth. Now, in triangle ABD, segment EC is parallel to segment BD. This is your construction. In triangle ABD means segment EC is parallel to segment BD, and this is your construction. By using basic proportionality theorem, AE upon EB is equal to AC upon CD by basic proportionality theorem. Therefore, write here the value of CD. What is the value of CD? CB. Therefore, AE upon EB is equal to AC upon CB. This is the proof of property of angle bisector. Next theorem. Also, this property is very useful to solve the example. Now, next theorem. The ratio of the intercept made on a transversal by three parallel lines is equal to the ratio of the corresponding intercept made on any other transversal by the same parallel line. This is the statement. To prove the proof, first of all, see the figure. In this figure, line L, M, N are the three parallel lines. T1 is the transversal first and T2 is the transversal second. This distance AB and BC is called as the intercept. AB and BC is called as the intercept. PQ and QR is also called as the intercept. Therefore, the ratio of the intercept made means the ratio of AB upon BC is equal to the corresponding intercept means PQ upon QR. To prove what is given, line L is line L parallel to line M parallel to line N. Line L, M, N are the parallel lines. T1 and T2 are the transversal. Transversal T1 intersect the line in points A, B, C. T1 transversal T1 intersect the line in the point A, B, C, and transversal T2 intersect the line in points P, Q, R. And to prove, what is to prove? Intersects are equal. Therefore, AB upon BC, ratio of intersects are equal. Therefore, AB upon BC is equal to PQ upon QR. Intercept means a distance, A or B का distance or B or C का. The proof, what is the proof? Draw a segment PC. This is the construction. Draw a segment PC and intersect line M at point D. Therefore, to give a two triangle. First, consider a triangle ACP. Consider a triangle ACP. See a figure properly. In triangle ACP, BD is parallel to AP. BD is parallel to AP and therefore apply basic proportionality theorem. What is the basic proportionality theorem? AB upon BC is equal to PD upon DC. PD upon DC, and give the name first. In triangle CPR, the second triangle CPR. Again, in triangle CPR, DQ is parallel to CR. See the figure properly. DQ is parallel to CR. Again, apply basic proportionality theorem. PD upon CD is equal to PQ upon QR. Second, basic proportionality theorem. In short, basic proportionality theorem in short, write BPT. But in your exam, write down the basic proportionality theorem in long form. Now from first and second, AB upon BC is equal to PD upon DC and PD upon DC is equal to PQ upon QR. Therefore, AB upon BC is equal to PD upon DC is equal to PQ upon QR. From first and second, AB upon BC की वैल्यू क्या है? PD upon DC और PD upon DC की वैल्यू क्या है? PQ upon QR. Means AB upon BC की वैल्यू क्या है? PQ upon QR. Actually, to prove that AB upon BC is equal to PQ upon QR, hence the proof. Now the example. This theorem is also useful to solve the example. Example number first. In triangle PQR, segment RS bisect angle R if PR is equal to 15. PR is equal to 15. What is the value of PR? Here 15. RQ is equal to 20. RQ is equal to 20 and PS is equal to 12. PS is equal to 12. Then to find the value of SQ. To find the value of SQ. Solution. In triangle PRQ. In triangle PRQ, segment RS bisect angle R. Segment RS bisect angle R by using property of angle bisector. Property of angle bisector. What is the property? PR upon RQ is equal to PS upon SQ. By substituting value, first of all, the property is the bisector of an angle of a triangle divide the side opposite to the angle in the ratio of the remaining sides. Therefore, PR upon RQ is equal to PS upon SQ. Substituting value, what is the value of PR? Value of PR is 15 and value of RQ is 20. Value of PS is equal to 12 and to find the SQ, therefore write SQ as it is. Cross multiplication SQ into 15 is equal to 20 into 12. 15 multiply then divide 12 into 20 upon 15 multiplication किया तो here 3 4s are 12 and 3 5s are 15. 5 1s are 5, 5 4s are 20 and 4 into 4 16. Therefore SQ is equal to 16. Thank you.